Well, I feel good about it because, you know, it's a region of peace. And when you see military thing come, you have to question, because America does that. They have a doctrine. You know, America doctrine, if you know them and you study history, you see what goes on in the island, and you can't get a good feeling about it, especially with the government. You don't know what they're saying, what is true, what is lie. But that is how world is. People come with ideology and idea, and they take over, and the small people just have to suffer. That is how it is. I guess they won't get them in strategic areas to protect certain things or to get radar. But it's not controlled by we, so we been controlled by the American. Because if the thing feeding back to America, we are no say. Somebody is getting paid, somebody getting something to hold something. And that is how, when you put government, that is how the politics play.